Bakit? Bakit? Akin na po yan, ha? Bigay mo kay mama yan?
This news reminded her of the person who benefited the most was Chaeyoung's younger brother. He ate greedily while praising her skills, but suddenly the 3 words beef bone soup made him remember something. Wasn't his sister's first love the same name as Lee Kang? Now he knew that Lee Kang was Chaeyoung's first love. Chaeyoung was on her way back from buying food when she suddenly heard about the earthquake. This news reminded her of her terrible past.
Buksan mo yan ate. Galing naman. Nagsisave ng pera ang baby.
Wow! High five! High five! Wow!
Magsisave ka po ng pera? Opo, ang galing naman ng baby. Marunong mag-save ng money.
Kakulay niya pa, damit niya, nagko-camouflage.
Wow, galing! Very good! Yan, isisave mo po yung money dyan. Ang susang galing.
Wow!
Ang galing naman ng bata na yan.
Wow!
Galing. Very good. Pahingi po money si mama. Bibili po ng food si mama. Ay, ayaw. Mag-iipon daw ang baby. Oh, hindi na po. Hindi na. Hindi na kukunin ni mama yung money. Meron ka pang money dyan? Dami money yan, ah. Uy, sus. Very good. Wala na. Ubus na?
3 minutes na.
Ubus na man. Ubus na po. Patingin. Ay. Wala na. Ubus na? Ay, very good. Nag-ipon talaga yung baby. Wala na?
Meron pa.
Meron pa ba? Wala na nga. Ubus na yung pera niya.
Bye-bye.
Ubus na. Bye-bye.